nha.
Dạ, cảm ơn. Sorry, I had to text it real quick.
Is it broken?
Yeah, sorry nha.
Oh, don't worry.
Để chị lấy giấy tờ làm thủ tục đưa ghi cho em đi.
Yeah.
Enjoy with
Dạ. Cho mình hỏi nước này nước gì vậy?
dạ nước trà gừng tinh xảo.
Oh, okay. I knew it was ginger.
I said that too.
No, you said it was like honey or something.
Absolutely not. Switch that. You said
Oh,
it was
I-
honey, and I said it was ginger.
My bad. Okay, my bad. Damn.
Trying to gaslight the fuck out of me today.
What do you mean? Mình có thể lên coi phòng một lần cuối rồi.
Được. Đi lấy đó.
Yeah. I was just telling her that when I went to the bank, they're giving me looks because I was like, I need 32 million in cash. Yeah.
Tôi tưởng lần em thật sự tông ấy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Phải đem theo chứ. 32 triệu.
That view though.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to our humble apartment for the rest of our duration, the rest of the duration of our stay, I should say. We want to give you a better tour than what was in the video on the GoPro. So, starting off here, we have Kelly that's going to give you the room tour.
No.
Right here we have, actually I'll give you the room tour. How about that? We have please wait, please clean, and do not disturb.
Here's the doorbell.
As well as occupied. So we have a key card. Oh my gosh, it's so humid. You can see the lens getting foggy. But this is for power. Once that's in there, it'll light up here saying it's occupied. That's a doorbell. Fancy, right? Okay, let me wipe off. Okay, so coming in here to the right, we have the bathroom. We have a golden sink. There's me saying hello. We have a towel rack made of gold as well. This is gold plated, from what I found out. Gold plated sink, faucet, rack. The best thing is that we have separate shower and separate toilet.
Unlike the previous hotel room.
Yeah, unlike the previous hotel. And it drove me crazy. I would take a shower and then I have to use the bathroom and my feet would get wet. But anyways.
Standing in a puddle of water while you're trying to...
So this is the shower and tub. It's a pretty big shower and tub. And then leaving the bathroom, we got our little shoes. They gave us some house slippers, like the one at the Aria Sky Suites. Vanity mirror, not vanity mirror, but full-size mirror. Coming in to the right, we have our kitchen, our dining room table, and we have our fridge that has both a fridge and a freezer. We went to the grocery store and got some beef, meat, and all that stuff, some groceries. And then here is our fridge, stocked up with Red Bull, orange juice, water, some probiotic, some condensed milk for coffee, rice from last night, and then forgot to show the pantry, but this is what is in the pantry. Oh my goodness, if it wants to.
Cooperate.
Yeah, so in the pantry we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I count that right?
Yeah.
7 shelves. And all we have in here right now is snacks and junk food.
I love the flavors of chips that they have.
Oh yeah, we went to the grocery store today again. We got some Lay's chips, but the flavor is Texas tenderloin steak. Haven't tried it. And then we got some ramen. We got some stuff to make some pho. You know, I was debating on whether or not we should get stuff to make pho because we can go outside and walk down the street and get a bowl for like what, 30,000 maybe 50,000. Got some rice, peanut butter, and coffee. All right, moving on over here to the kitchen area. We got the sink, plates and dishes, bowls. Got some utensils, chopsticks. We didn't buy these, did we?
No, they came with the apartment. All that in there came with the apartment.
Okay, so all this came with the apartment. We got a microwave. We bought some napkins, aka tissues. Got pots and pans that came with the apartment as well. We do have a frying pan.
Yeah, I saw that when I looked
okay.
earlier.
Okay.
I thought I didn't see it before.
Okay, so we got a stovetop right here. This fits pretty well compared to the external fit of a stove that we have in the U.S. So this entire countertop is pretty long. Just to give you an idea how long it is. We got fruits and eggs. We got dragon fruit and mango, apple, banana. I'm not too big on apples or bananas, but I'm okay with dragon fruit and mango. We got quail eggs and regular eggs.
Chicken and duck eggs.
Chicken and duck eggs. So.
Normal eggs and duck eggs and quail eggs.
Gotcha. So the thing is, over here we don't refrigerate eggs, cause you want to tell them why?
Because in the U.S., the eggs have to be washed to be able to be sold, but that makes them not last as long because when eggs are laid, they have what's called a bloom on them, and that kind of preserves the egg. Once you wash them, it washes it off so they don't last as long. So they don't have to wash them here to be able to sell them, so storing them on the counter is fine, and they last longer.
There you go. Random facts with Kelly.
I just know that because I used to have chickens.
All right. Kettle. Is that what we call it? A kettle with some cups that came with the apartment. We have a dual function washer and dryer. Right now we have a load in there. Coming over here we have the living room. It's a pretty spacious living room. Let me take a step back so you can get in full frame. The couch, coffee table, all this you see right here, it came with the apartment. It came fully furnished. So coming over here, we got our little gaming setup. You got Xbox, a bunch of controllers, Switch, another Xbox. We went and got
in case we make friends.
Oh yeah, in case we make friends here. We went and got a surge protector because we couldn't plug everything up all at once. So we got the TV, the speaker and the subwoofer came together. Oh yeah, pressure cooker. We went and got a pressure cooker today, just in case we want to make something good. Here we have the bedroom. Our first night in the room was amazing. The bed is comfy, pillows are great. Also, we went and bought a little body pillow.
Someone can't sleep well without one.
Uh-huh. And so over here we have nightstands. We have one on each side. My side, we have a bunch of stuff. We got water because I drink a lot of water. As you can see, I got 2 of them. Got my meds stacked in the corner. We got a shelf for different things. In here, we have a lot of storage space, as well as an in-room safe, which I probably don't need because I have my personal safe. My spare glasses now because I have a brand new one. This is what I came to Vietnam with, but since then I got an upgrade, as you can say. Oop. Let me move my bag. Coming over here, like every hotel room, it comes with a ironing rack, but also came with an umbrella, the big one, the black one. And then this is a personal one that we bought at the supermarket. As well, it comes with an iron. A lot of storage space for clothes. So storage is never going to be an issue. We got some storage drawers in there too. And we got a little table that obviously Kelly has taken over. We have her little makeup area, her gaming setup, a little TV, and then coming over here, we have our personal in-room balcony that's separate from the balcony out there. Both the same view of the river and the bridge. You can see over there the Sam Tower. This is the bridge. I don't know the name of it, but if we go out here, pretty spacious. You can have, what's this called? Patio furniture? Mm-hmm. Our patio furniture is on the other side, but from here, you can see the Golden Bridge, the Dragon Bridge. I keep saying Golden Bridge, but it's a Dragon Bridge. And within 15 days from now, they're gonna have the National Vietnam Fireworks Festival, and we're gonna be able to see the fireworks from that bridge over there, from this angle, right on top of our patio. So this is the view of the entire hotel, the Wyndham Hotel. And going back in, now to show the living room patio, separate from the bedroom patio. This is where we have the patio furniture set up. And like I said, we have the same view over here as we did in the bedroom. The AC unit, like this is pretty spacious. You can fit 2 chairs maybe here.
Yeah, we can get another chair so we can both sit.
Yeah. Then I think that concludes the unit tour. So there you have it. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, hotel. What would you call this? Hotel room, apartment?
Yeah, I've been calling it an apartment, but it's also like maybe a suite or...
It's a hotel suite.
Yeah.
It's a 1 bedroom hotel suite. So that concludes the room tour. I just want to give a quick shout out to Ms. Heothy Nguyen for helping us get this place. She was truly amazing, and she helped make this process so easy. I've actually never gotten into like an apartment fairly so smoothly and so quickly as I did with her, and it's kind of crazy. That's crazy to me though, because even in the U.S. it takes forever, and the transition process and getting to an apartment is kind of not as smooth as the way she helped make it seem. So with that being said, if you do need to get into a place here in Da Nang, whether it's for long term or short term, you can hit up Miss Heothy Nguyen. She'll make the process smooth and streamlined, and the experience really amazing for you. So, but once again, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button.